Swada Pravesh here, and today I would like to share my views on the MS Excel. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to tell you what are the topics that should be discussed in this topic. That is, what is Excel, what are the functions of Excel, how to insert cells, how to insert columns and rows, what is border and how to apply, what is splash fill. Let's begin with our first topic, that is, what is Excel. Actually, Excel is a software program that is used to organize our data in a tabular form, or in a we can say in a particular way. We have in this we can obviously it is used to function as formulas, as obviously a lot of things can be developed in this Excel. Then we have then it was developed by Charles Money in November 1895, but was released as first written in 1987, and basically consists of cells, columns and rows. Let's see what are cells, what are columns and what are rows. First of all, cell is a box that is made by the intersection of rows and columns. Then we have a horizontal data or horizontal lines are called rows, and the column that is a vertical data or vertical row in Excel. So this is a sheet of Excel basically. You can see this is a home tab here that you can see it's a cut, paste, copy, and different things are organized in the sheet. So we will discuss something about this sheet. First of all, let's see what are the functions of Excel. It helps us to calculate many things. There are many multiple functions of it. Whether it's to find the average with sum, multiplication, difference, division, all these things we can count here. It is used to store data in particular and in the tabular form. It is used for VLOOKUP. When you will say what is the VLOOKUP, actually it stands for vertical lookup. That is for a function that makes it Excel to search about the certain value, certain things to find out, to make it easy to find out the information. Then we have how to insert cells. Actually, we know this what are cells. Now let's see how to insert them. Actually, it's a simple task to insert a cell. We have to simply select the row or select the column where the cell has to be inserted. We have to go into this home tab, and you can see here is an option about inserting cells. So insert, we have to click on insert, and we have to click on cells. And in cells, you have to write down how many cells you have to be inserted in here. Right here is in inserting cells. You can insert the cells in this column. In this, so the next topic is how to insert columns and rows. We know what are columns and rows. Now let's see how to insert. Basically, how to insert a column and row is as simple as this inserting a cell. We have to simply select that column or select that row where we have to insert the cell. Then we have to go into the home tab, and home tab we will see here the option insert, and we have to click on this drop down menu. Here you will get an option of inserting cells and columns. You have to click on that where you have to enter the data, where you have to enter the value, where how many cells or how many columns or how many rows you have to insert, and you have to click on that. Okay, so the cells or the columns and rows is inserted. Then what are borders? So borders are basically the outline of the cell, outline of the data that are used to separate the other specific data from the other data, and that are used to highlight the data that are used to highlight the specific data. Actually, if you have to apply the borders, you have to simply select that border, select that data where you have to apply the border. Then you have to click on the home tab, and the home tab here you can get an option, this dotted 4 square box. You have to click on this. Then there are many options of inserting borders, like you have to thin border, thick border, one side border, whatever, all borders, left border, right border. You have to click on that and click on OK. The borders will get applied. Then what is splash fill? Splash fill is an option in MS Excel that provides you the ability to enter your data automatically in the cells or columns.